Wydad Club rekindles pursuit of Tembegosi Lodge as talks with Sundowns resume. Reports out of Morocco suggest Wydad Athletic Club have reopened negotiations with Mamelodi Sundowns in a bid to secure the permanent signing of South African playmaker Tembegosi Lodge. Lodge, whose future remains uncertain, returned to Sundowns at the end of the 2024-2025 season, following a six-month loan spell at the Moroccan Giants. The 32-year-old made an immediate impact at the Red Castle, notably earning the club's Player of the Month award for March and delivering standard performances during the FIFA Club World Cup. The former Orlando Pirates talisman was initially brought to Wydad on the recommendation of compatriot Roland Mokoena, who had a short-lived stint as head coach at the Casablanca-based club. Despite Lodge's success on the pitch, early transfer negotiations reportedly collapsed due to disagreements over a transfer fee. However, fresh reports from Moroccan outlet Radio Mas indicate that Wydad have reignited their interest and are actively engaging with the close associate of Sundowns president Lobi Matsepe in an effort to finalize a deal. According to sources within Radio Mas, Lodge has expressed his desire to continue his career in North Africa and has formally communicated his intentions to Sundowns management. The skillful winger became a fan favorite during his short stay in Casablanca, with many supporters urging the club to make his move permanent, especially after his stellar showing at the Club World Cup, where he helped elevate Wydad's continental profile. When asked about Lodge's status, Sundowns head coach Miguel Cardoso remained non-committal, suggesting the matter is still under internal review, and the official and final decision will be announced in due course, especially since the player is not currently with the team. With the new season fast approaching, Wydad's management is reportedly pushing to wrap up talks swiftly and bring Lodge back to Stade Mohamed V, this time for good. Whether Sundowns are willing to part ways with one of their Mac attackers remains to be seen, but with Lodge's heart seemingly set on a return to Morocco, the ball may now be in the Brazilian's court. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.